Cut off front section of old jeans. Cut fabric and rip back seam. Square up and sew center seam. Top stitch center seam. Cut panels from remaining legs. Sew pieces into main panels. Position and sew pocket. Sew label and clip panels. Sew panels and cut bottom corners. Sew corners and cut lining. Sew facing to lining and add closure. Sew lining and cut corners for bag. Turn lining and clip belt loops. Insert lining and sew top edge of bag. Turn bag and close lining. Flatten and top stitch top edge of bag. Prepare and top stitch strap. Install hardware and attach strap to bag.